big shopping centre like this, there's constant things that are just there. The work we have to do, floors in particular, entrances, all that, we need to make sure that they are as clean and as dry as possible. But when the lads came in from Spark and they just opened up all these possibilities, in terms of the machine coming, that's at least one person that we can send off to do another task. Or we have quite a lot of escalators in here that we could focus somebody to that. And it's good to know that that machine is there and it's just doing the job for you. It's absolutely brilliant. The machine's going to take care of itself. It's not here to hinder, it's here to help. When it comes out and it does its task, it has a little docking station. So as it goes out and it's doing what it's doing, it will understand itself that if it needs to be recharged or refilled or to empty the water, that it will go back to its docking station and do all of that itself. With the bigger, bulkier machines, the operator that's using that will have to take that to wherever it needs to do. They'll have to manually empty it, they'll have to manually refill it, and all of that takes time. The one thing that surprised me as well with the machine is how long it can actually go on the one charge as well. So whereas with some of the bigger machines, they're heavier loads, so you might have to charge them a lot more than what you do with this machine. There's a lot of different ways you can actually set the robot off. So you can schedule it, like what we have done here, for every single day to come out at a certain time and then for it to go back at a certain time. You know exactly where it's been because you can check everything that's on the screen. Say one night there's an area that's a bit worse than the other one and you think, well, I'll just schedule it to that area. Just cancel off that, reschedule it to go to another area, and then it will just go and do whatever you've tasked it to do. All the menus are really straightforward, very simple. I went on there and I just had a little look at the menus. It took us 5 minutes. I knew exactly how to do it. It's really simple and really easy. We tend to use it the majority of the time on night shift and we just let it do its thing and it goes out. But I have actually had it out during the day, one day, where the floor, it had all been cleaned, but we had some contractors that were coming through and they were dragging a lot of stuff across the mall. I'd set it up to come out. It always stops if something gets within a certain range of the machine. Just did that section that it needed to do, went back to where it was and went back to sleep. And that was that, nice and simple. You don't need to put any chemical in the tank, which is helpful for the environment. It goes off cold water, doesn't leave any sort of residue or anything that's on the floor, which can happen when you're using chemical. We've got pads and we've got brushes. You can also set pressure for the pads on specific areas that are a bit more soiled than others. You can just have it letting some water out, scrub it off and then vac it up. When you've got something like this is the thing that's going to take you forward because it saves so much time and you can get so much other work done with it.